Hey, you can create a new email in Outlook by just clicking on new and drafting using Copilot to draft the email. But what if you were using the Copilot here on the side in the tray to write your email? So I'm going to do that here and show you what the benefit of using the right pane to create an email. So I'm going to say create a new email explaining the main benefits and features of Copilot in Outlook. Just simple prompt. And the first benefit when I'm doing that, it can surface my content in my organization. It can surface content from internet. While here it's just surfacing what I give it to him. So it might not be accurate, as rich as I want. So that's why the first reason is to use the right pane is to have access to everything. So now it gives me a nice email, giving me the key benefits, and some use cases. Now, it's not an email yet, so what do I do with that? So I'm gonna wait it's finished. And there's a little bit more work you're gonna see, but the content I'm trying to build, and you see it's based on a guide that I have internally, which would not have been the case if I used that unless I did it in Copilot Chat. But so I'm gonna copy the response and I'm gonna paste the response here. So I've almost everything I need, the email, the subject. So it says body, so maybe I don't want that, or maybe I just want to put the subject in the subject. So I have to do a few things. Maybe I want to keep it in both the subject and at the beginning of the email. Maybe I want to change that for sure. But most of it is good. So now, let's say I want to add a nice banner. That same thing. This draft doesn't allow me to create images. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna click here, if only it takes. Hello, okay, and now I'm gonna say create a nice banner for this email, a nice horizontal banner for this email. And so now it's going to leverage the image generation, hopefully. And I hope that in the future we'll be able to do everything here. But here I can iterate, change things. It's more complicated when you do that directly in email and you don't have access to anything else than creating content, text. So here I can do search on internet, search in my tenant, search and create documents or whatever I want to create. So let's see the image. And you can see there's a limitation here because, okay, it creates an image, asks for banner, so I would hope it will be a long banner, but it only creates images always the same size. I don't think I can specify the size of my banner, but there's things I can do. So I have a nice banner here. It looks very good, but too large, not too large, but too high. So let's wait it's finished. Now what I can do is I can copy that, can paste it here, and I can come back on the image, and even in the web, in the browser, I can do that kind of stuff, picture format, and I can crop it. If only. I don't know why the cropping, so I can say, okay, this is what I want. And suddenly I have a powerful email with a nice banner. And I might have to iterate several times if I want to change what the banner says. but you get the idea. So that's one of the reasons where I create an email. I might start here. If it's a simple email, you can draft directly here, and you can revise that. You can come back and rewrite or contextualize with more context. But using this can help you to have several iterations until you're happy with the result. You can create different content like an image and then just copy paste in your email. Hope this was insightful.